welcome Pooja to
Thank you so much,
Mrs. Diva.
Asta.
Of course, आपका अपना this Mrs. Diva is incomplete without Pooja, and like I always say
Oh,
कि Pooja is not only favorite, everybody's favorite. In fact, like I was just saying this thing only, Pooja सिर्फ हमारी सबकी favorite ही नहीं है, Pooja बाकी bakers की भी favorite है. तो
oh my God, it's my
अपने
pleasure.
ही प्रोफेशन अपने प्रोफेशन में आपने मतलब सभी का बिल्कुल ही एकदम सभी आपके फैन है, आप जानते हो, आई कीप सेइंग दैट टू यू ऑल द टाइम. एंड थैंक यू सो मच फॉर coming on to our podcast and
It's
agreeing
my
for this
privilege,
interview and
Asta, for such
agreeing
a
to share
wonderful,
your story.
right, sure. It's my privilege, Asta, for giving me such a beautiful opportunity. It's just like a
Thank
dream come true for me. You must be knowing about that. I was eagerly waiting for this day. कि कब we'll have on a podcast. But that's like something which I can't express in my words, basically. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Great. So, all of you, you guys know about Pooja Juneja. She's the founder of Wallabies Cakes, and I keep talking also about. So wherever I order something, so I just want to share one short, anecdote or story with you guys. So, when I ordered the cake from Pooja messaged me कि cake आप ना 4-5 days I think cake आता ना आपने पूछा कि बाहर चल जाएगा, उसके बाद फ्रिज में रख देना. And I was
चार
reading
पांच
it and
दिन
I was laughing. I was laughing. I was thinking कि ये केक बचेगा कैसे 4-5 दिन तक. बचेगा तब तो हम रखेंगे इसको फ्रिज में. एंड एग्जैक्टली द सेम थिंग
Oh,
हैपेंड.
so nice.
सेकेंड डे पूरा फिनिश था, वो पूरा जितना बड़ा केक था वो सारा पूरा फिनिश हो चुका था. और आई मैसेज
My
पूजा
pleasure.
ऑल्सो कि पूजा नौबत ही नहीं आई, फ्रिज तक वो पहुंचा ही नहीं बेचारा. पहले ही खत्म हो गया था. So wonderful. Before we start the interview, I would like all of you to hear from Pooja. Pooja, छोटा सा आपका introduction आपसे सबके लिए.
Thank you so much, Asta. As Asta has already explained each and everything, in fact, more than what I was expecting, what I am actually. So I am I'm an eggless home baker by name Wallabies Bakery. The specialization is like कि I only believe in one thing. What I मतलब can say is the basic thing in my product is purity is our priority. Purity is like मतलब मेरा sometimes I feel like I'm too much possessive about my clients कि कई बार ज्यादा चीज कहते हैं ना कि मतलब it's harmful for you but better for others, so I'm happy to do that. कि जैसे अगर मुझे केक 12 बजे अगर कहीं डिलीवर करना है तो आई प्रेफर टू बेक इट इन मॉर्निंग 8 o'clock इंस्टेड ऑफ कि मैं रात को उसको बेक करके रखूं, वो मैं सुबह उनको वो करूं. तो दैट्स लाइक माय वे ऑफ वर्किंग. मतलब मुझे लगता है जितना बेस्ट और जितना मैं उनको फ्रेश दे पाऊं, तो दैट इज माय बेसिक नेचर. And I hope clients always appreciate this thing.
Always,
So
they
this
will
is what I am.
definitely.
So
Great,
this is
great, great.
basically what I am.
Okay, great. So so guys, we'll just let's quickly start with our session, and all of you I know are waiting to hear Pooja's story. So let me ask you the first question, Pooja. So my first question, या सबसे पहले सभी के दिमाग में शायद यही question आता है कि how did the idea of Wallabies cakes, how did it come to your mind? कहाँ से शुरू हुआ सब, और कहाँ से ये आया कि पूजा नाउ वांट्स. वी आल्सो नो आप क्राफ्टिंग में बहुत एक्सपर्ट हो, तो कहाँ से ये सब स्टार्ट हुआ, कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ?
चल रही है नहीं चल रही, बंद हो गई है. चल रही.
Sorry, Astha. Sorry for interruption.
That's okay. That's okay. So
Yeah,
should
please
I repeat
continue.
the
Sorry.
question में repeat
No,
करूं
I
एक बार?
got it.
अच्छा ठीक है.
I got it, Astha. Okay. As you yourself have told, the Rome was not built in a one day. मतलब मुझे ऐसे लगा जैसे आपने मतलब मेरी बात कह दी हो. It was like that only for me, and it's true in my journey. I would like to share from the starter point. Like I am basically from a very well-known business class family, and I'm talking about this 25, 27 years back when I was unmarried. उस टाइम में क्या होता था, my father was a very well known businessman, and उस टाइम में क्या होता था, and I would like to share one thing more. I am the youngest in my family. We are 5 sisters and 1 brother, and I am the youngest one. and you can मतलब the youngest one can imagine मतलब it's always like pampered कि मतलब तुम तो छोटी हो, तुम्हें कुछ नहीं
Absolutely.
करना है ना घर में ना
कुछ
बाहर,
नहीं
कहीं
करना.
कुछ नहीं करना है, कुछ नहीं करना है. And being from the business class family, तब का क्या सिस्टम रहता था कि मतलब they always think like कि क्यों करना है कुछ भी, मतलब है तो सही सब कुछ, आपको क्या जरूरत पड़ी है कि आप काम करोगे. Now the time has changed, whether you have
And
plenty of money, whatever it is like, now the time has changed,
absolutely.
everybody wants to work. So that's why these kind of women entrepreneurs are there, and the most supportive platform like Mrs. Deva is there to support the women entrepreneur.
Thank you.
This is the only reason
Thank
we are getting, because now each and everyone want to get support. So तब क्या था कि
Absolutely.
मतलब it was like कि मतलब after very struggle and all that, I convinced my father कि नहीं मुझे job करनी है, I will definitely do something or other. The reason was कि मेरे मन में कहीं ना कहीं था कि by God grace everything was very very मतलब well off, लेकिन मेरे मन में कहीं ना कहीं था कि I should be known by my own name, like मैं
So
किसी
your
की
own
wife हूँ, I'm
identity,
okay,
basically.
own identity should be there. मैं किसी की wife हूँ, I'm okay, I'm someone's daughter, I'm okay, I'm someone's mother, that's perfectly fine. But what itself Pooja Juneja is, तो मुझे था कि I have to do something or other. In that case, my father just offered me one thing only, कि अगर आपको लाइफ में कुछ करना है तो you have to keep in your mind one thing, कि एक तो कुछ ऐसी जॉब या ऐसा काम करना है कि आपकी फैमिली बॉदर नहीं होनी चाहिए. बीइंग अ हाउसवाइफ, बीइंग अ लेडी, बीइंग अ विमेन, मतलब आपका जो एक पहला फर्ज है आपकी फैमिली की तरफ है, उसके बाद आपको कुछ करना है, दैट इज अप टू यू. सो इन दैट केस ही गेव मी द अपॉर्चुनिटी कि आप ऐसा करो, टीचिंग लाइन में जाओ. सो आई डिड एनटीटी फ्रॉम YWCA आफ्टर माय दिस थिंग, after my school. So I did job also for 6 to 7 months in a school, in a primary school. Like after that, I got married. Everything was very fine, very good enough. At my family, everyone was supportive and everything was good. लेकिन वो कहीं ना कहीं आपके मन में रहता है ना कि मतलब मेरा सपना पीछे रह गया. I was doing
Want to do
job,
something.
want to do something, want to do something. And meanwhile, I was
True, true, true.
blessed with a joint family. तो वहां पे भी यही था कि कुछ करना, क्यों करना है, सब ठीक तो है. But by God grace, cross my
Okay.
fingers, my husband was like with me. मतलब he was not against family, but उनको लगता था कि
Wow.
हाँ तेरे को कुछ करना है तो you can
Wow.
start it with it, लेकिन कुछ इस तरह से कि फैमिली इम्पैक्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए या किसी का क्वेश्चन नहीं आना
True.
चाहिए कि why you are going out of the house. So ये बहुत पहले की I'm talking about. It's my it will be 25 years back I'm talking about. So initially after the I think 15 years of my marriage, I started with the summer camps. Meanwhile मेरे
Wow.
बच्चे बड़े भी हो गए, स्कूल भी जाने लग गए, बट आई वॉज वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर, राइट, आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू शेयर दैट कि मैं कुछ प्रोफेशनली नहीं भी करती थी ना, तो आई वॉज स्टिल वेरी मच सेटिस्फाइड, क्योंकि मेरे बच्चों का जो आर्ट क्राफ्ट वगैरह का या जो होमवर्क का जो उनका स्टेटस होता था ना, एवरीबडी वॉज लाइक कि अच्छा ये पूजा जुनेजा, ही इज कृषान जुनेजा, ओ पूजा जुनेजा सन, मतलब they were known like by my name. One day I remember the season is there again. The season is there again, but one day I remember, but without asking from the school, I just sent a big Ravan to the school with my younger son कि आप स्कूल लेकर जाओ, and the teachers were like, wow, रावण लेकर आए, who made it? इसका
Amazed.
मतलब जो, तो in that time जो मेरा सपना कहीं रह गया था, the things which I wanted to do and was not able to do, so meantime I just covered those things. At the
Wow.
time बच्चे settle हो गए, I started with the summer camp only. The best thing which I would like to share for all and especially women entrepreneurs, it was my luck. ऐसा नहीं था कि my husband support was not there, my family, ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं था. बट मेरे मन में ना शुरू से एक चीज थी काम करने को लेकर कि आई शुड बी द हेल्पिंग हैंड, नॉट द बर्डन एट माई फैमिली व्हेन आई डू एनीथिंग इन माई लाइफ.
Wonderful.
सो
Wonderful. Wonderful.
द डे So the day I started my any of the venture, I earned first, then I invested. Like I started with the
Wow.
sketching classes first of all. So in that there was no investment, only sketching was like कि मेरे को सिर्फ
Absolutely.
बच्चों कहना था, you can get your sketchbooks, I'll guide you how to draw.
Of course.
So
Of course.
so that was the first the money which I earned from that 2-3 classes of sketching. I spent that money for my summer camps, for my pamphlets, for everything. So that was the journey started, how I started. And after that थोड़ा चलता रहा, तब बच्चे भी छोटे थे and they were also enjoying my art classes, they were also joining in that. एंड जैसे जैसे टाइम चलता रहा तो मुझे लगा कि देयर शुड बी मोर क्रिएशन, समथिंग मोर शुड बी डन. देन आई लर्न द ट्रूजो पैकिंग क्लासेस. फिर मैंने ट्रूजो पैकिंग के लिए आई स्टार्टेड टेकिंग ऑर्डर्स आल्सो. I did it for a long time, like 4 to 5 years. I did the Cruzo packing wala orders and all that.
Wow.
Meanwhile, I was taking classes as well. Like मैं orders भी लेती थी और जिनको सीखना होता था मैं उनको भी classes भी conduct कराती थी.
Wow.
So that was a beautiful journey. I enjoyed it a lot. So initially जब बच्चे सब settle हो गए, सब हो गया, तो as I'm a passionate cook as well. So ये जो एक I should say कि ये जो I should say ये एक विरासत है मेरे लिए. It's from my father. He was a very good cook. मतलब पापा बहुत अच्छा खाना बनाते थे. So but I just learned from him so many things, but never thought it to be as a profession. But gradually the things changed. फिर मुझे लगा कि I took the baking classes. फिर by God grace baking का response इतना अच्छा आने लगा. तो I just switched on to this wallabies again then. So it was like कि पहले मैंने kangaroos रखा हुआ था. Then when I started growing from kangaroos, it was like for 2 to 3 years when I started growing and the people starting. I was very known for the people कि kangaroos is from Pooja Juneja. I thought to get registered by company, and then I searched the perfect name wallabies. So we have just registered this. This is a registered company now, wallabies.
Wow.
So this is the thing. So this
Congratulations.
is how wallabies is here. It was not an easy,
Lovely,
but yeah, I
lovely.
just enjoyed it. Thank you so much for everything.
Of course, wonderful, wonderful. So I think there were a lot of things that even I did not also know about Pooja's complete journey. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा पूजा, बहुत अच्छा लगा. Thank you so much for sharing with us.
Thank you so much.
I would like to ask you, even though आपने थोड़ा share किया भी है, what were the initial challenges? As in exactly क्या? Of course, थोड़े बहुत challenges तो सभी को आते ही हैं. What were the initial challenges and what was the role of your family? I know now that your husband is very supportive, and I feel the happiest when I see both your sons so involved with you. तो but ये अभी की situation की मैं बात कर रही हूँ. I want to know शुरू में कैसा था, क्या support थी, जरूरत आपको पड़ी convince करने की, या शुरू से everybody was very very supportive?
नहीं Asta, in that case my husband was very supportive, touch wood. I am blessed for that thing. But the thing is like if the family is supportive, then it's more your responsibility to don't let them down in any ways. They should not suffer because they're supporting. It doesn't mean that you will take granted to them. So
yes,
मतलब the responsibility doubles on your side कि अगर वो आपको support कर रहे हैं तो you have to take that responsibility that way, that they should not take it like कि आपने तो for granted ही ले लिया. So it happens sometimes जब मेरे summer camps होते थे तो they were like कि back to back. I started at 10 in the morning, 10 to 11 there was like painting for toddlers, then 11 to 12 it was for teenagers, then 12 to 1 it was for another batch, 1 to 3 का break होता था, उसके 3 से बाद 4 to 5 for this painting classes, 5 to 6 was like this. So this meanwhile family का support ये रहता था, especially in those summer camps kind of time, कि मतलब मैं जो भी खाना वगैरह बनाती थी तो they were never questioning me for that. By God grace I was good enough to settle them. But हाँ challenges देखो होते हैं because बच्चे बहुत छोटे थे, स्कूल भी रहता था and आपको ट्यूशंस भी बच्चों की सेटल करनी है. challenges इस टाइप के थे उस टाइम पर. But I think when you think about something ना कि आपको कुछ करना है तो you just make it to do. And you do.
Absolutely.
तो दैट वाज द थिंग. बेसिकली वही था कि फैमिली का सपोर्ट था, बट एक ही उनका रहता था कि इस तरह से करो. मतलब मुझे ऐसा रहता था कि इस तरह से मैं करूं, दैट दे शुड नॉट फील लाइक कि मम्मा तो इसमें बिजी हो गई एंड नोबडी इज देयर टू लुक आफ्टर अस. सो दैट वाज द ओनली चैलेंज टू मी, बट इट हैपेंड.
Wonderful, wonderful. So I mean, my next in fact question is this thing only, that how did you manage so much work with 2 kids? Because being a mom, being a housewife, it is a full-time job. So anybody who tells me कि मैं कुछ नहीं करती, मैं सिर्फ एक housewife हूँ, I always stop and correct them कि आप सबसे बड़ा काम कर रहे हो. घर को संभालना, बच्चों को संभालना, शायद इससे मुश्किल काम कुछ नहीं हो सकता. But I would like to know from you that how did you manage so much work?
आस्था, frankly speaking, मतलब ये मेरा पहले भी नेचर था कि मैं प्लान करके चलती थी. एंड द मोमेंट आई हैव
Wonderful.
आई हैव गॉन थ्रू योर दिस थिंग, व्हाट आई विल से, वर्कशॉप्स, योर लेसन्स, योर पॉडकास्ट एंड योर जो भी आप वेबिनार्स लेते हो, वो मेरे को एक आपका जो वो चीज था दैट स्टैम्प्ड माय डिसीजन. मतलब मेरा पहले भी यही था कि आई जस्ट प्लान आउट. आई मेक टू काइंड्स ऑफ प्लान्स. वन इज माय वीकली प्लान. इन वीकली प्लान व्हाट्स द बेसिक थिंग इज इन वीकली प्लान इज the menu of my daily routine, because as a
Wonderful.
it's a daily routine, क्या क्या घर में बनना है, because my husband says that you have spoiled the kids, but okay, I am happy to listen that as well. So they are very foodie. मतलब it's like कि उनको डेजर्ट दिन में भी चाहिए, उनको रात को भी चाहिए. So I don't want them कि उनको ये नहीं लगना चाहिए कि मम्मा काम में इतनी बिजी हो गई है कि जिसके लिए मैं कर रही हूँ वही निग्लेक्ट हो गया. That should not
Wow.
happen in my life. So the basic thing what I do is I make a weekly plan especially for the food basically. And that it's a written in that कि breakfast में ये बनना है, lunch में ये बनना है, dinner में ये बनना है. It's a weekly plan over there. How does it help me कि जब मेरा plan ये ready हो जाता है तो I'll get the grocery according to that. I'll just get the things
Absolutely.
according to that कि ये चीज मैंने आज ऐसे करके रखनी है. And जब केक्स की मेरी बेकिंग की बारी आती है, या इट्स लाइक आई एम हैविंग ऑर्डर्स आल्सो बिसाइड्स दिस, तो माय बेसिक थिंग इज लाइक व्हाट आर माय वर्किंग आवर्स. इफ समबडी आस्क कि आप काम किस टाइम करते हो अपने बेकिंग का या अपने काम का, तो दोज आर लाइक फ्रॉम 7 to 11 in the morning and from 8 to 11 in the evening. So that is the time for my baking and my product. The reason behind in between time is like their breakfast time is there, their though they are grown up, but still you have to, as a mother, you have to look after them. So their breakfast time
100%.
is there, lunch time is there, some other commitments are also there in the family, the social circle. So rest of the time I divide accordingly, but my basically my working hours are from 7 to 10 in the morning before the breakfast, and after that 8 to 11 in the evening basically. Meanwhile, if some orders comes over, so my kids are grown up, they adjust and they support even
Of course.
for that.
Wonderful, wonderful.
So
So I
I
think
just
you
go
have
through the
already
planning
answered
only.
my next question. I wanted to ask you what is your daily routine like, but I think you have covered
I'll
it
share I'll
beautifully.
share I'll share about that. I'll share
If
about that
please,
as well.
please.
Yeah. How do I do this daily planning as well? What I do, matlab, it's a daily routine. That was a weekly plan. The daily plan is like कि a night before I'll go to sleep, 10 minutes before I go to sleep, I just make a list. In that I just write down कि
Wonderful.
आटा सुबह गूंदना है, दूध सुबह उबालना है, and तड़का सुबह बनाना है. तो what procedure I do, I just keep the boil to be मतलब milk to be boiled, and that time मैं आटा गूंदना खड़ी होती हूँ, so that the both things can go simultaneously.
Of
So
course,
this is the way,
definitely.
मतलब मैं जब भी किचन में जाती हूँ तो I just think of कि मैं दो काम ऐसे करूँ कि एक होता रहे और एक मैं करती रहूँ. So this is the way I plan in
Great.
the kitchen as well. So this is the way I plan
Wonderful.
the kitchen as well. So मतलब it's
Wonderful.
all by God grace. I'm able to do till now a good and healthy job. Let's see for this thing. So this is the way I do
Wonderful, wonderful.
basically.
Absolutely. So I think planning part, you are very strong in your planning part, and that really helps you in structuring your work and
Exactly.
taking care of your home as well. Right. So
Exactly,
I think
Asta.
this is a
Planning,
cue
planning.
for all. Yeah.
Planning
So
is
I
must. Planning is must.
absolutely, absolutely. And I think this is something, this is actually, it's a cue for other women entrepreneurs also, those who are starting up or those who are, well into
Yeah.
their journeys, that planning matters a lot. We have to schedule, we have to plan, and we have to, stick to that as much as possible. Of course, बीच में changes आपको जो करने हैं वो definitely हम लोग कर ही सकते हैं, but then एक starting point
कर
हमें
ही
पता
सकते
होना
हैं.
चाहिए कि यहाँ से start करना है. Great, great, great. Thank you
And
so much. So
one
everybody,
more thing I
yeah,
would like to,
yeah.
and one more thing I would like to share. What I keep in my mind, जैसे अगर मेरे पास if some of my client has said told me कि आप मुझे 6 o'clock तक deliver करा देना, I never take it as 6. I always take it as 4:30. क्योंकि मुझे लगता है कि
Great,
4:30
great,
मैं एक
great.
अपना माइंड में रखूंगी तो I'll be able to get it done
Buffer.
by 5. If I'll
Wonderful.
keep it in 6, definitely it will be 5 to 7. With a family, you don't know exactly the what time you'll be get
Absolutely.
in what work. So that is also another point I
Wonderful.
always keep in mind. I don't stick to the deadline, but the client has given. I make my own deadline. Till there, I have to
Wonderful.
done it. So that's the way.
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल सो आई थिंक दिस इज अ लर्निंग फॉर ईच एंड एवरी वन ऑफ अस हम सबके लिए एक लर्निंग है ये कि डेडलाइंस जो है वो अपने अपने अकॉर्डिंग सेटअप करो क्लाइंट ने जो दिया उससे एक
Client के
दो घंटे का
according,
मार्जिन
yes.
जो है वो डेफिनेटली वी
बिल्कुल.
शुड ऑल कीप ग्रेट 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 लवली okay so now I'm going to ask you this question and I try and ask this from all of my podcast guests how has business coaching from Mrs. Diva how has business coaching from me helped you and what are your thoughts about our fraternity you know we all have become a digital family हम लोग एक दूसरे के
Yeah.
साथ बहुत टाइम स्पेंड करते हैं as much as you know as much time we spend with our own family हम आपस में भी एक दूसरे के साथ स्पेंड करते हैं so
बहुत
what do you
बहुत.
think about just wanted to know about this
Yeah, sure, Asta. Basically, देखो, after having the business coaching from you, it helped me a lot to जो मतलब मुझे लगता है, but I feel like we are not born entrepreneurs, right? We are learning
of course
everything. If you want to learn anything, you need some coach, you need some teacher to get to that point. What I feel personally. So your coaching helped me in that way. अभी तक ऐसा नहीं था. I was doing my job, I was doing my work.
100%
मुझे ये पता था कि मुझे केक कैसे बनाना है, बट उसको प्रेजेंट कैसे करना है, उसको लोगों तक उस बात के लिए अवेयरनेस कैसे बतानी है. I it was the knowledge was still me कि my product is pure, but I was not aware how to tell the other people that it's pure. So from
absolutely
your business,
absolutely
from after taking from your guidelines, from your business coach or other even the workshops which you generally keep on doing, it has helped me a lot. मतलब मुझे पता लगा है कि how to display yourself, how to keep yourself कि this thing is like this and this thing is like that, but unless until you will speak, you will tell the people will not able to know what you
absolutely
are doing. So one thing is that I have learned
absolutely
from you. The another business coaching, your business coaching helped me in my engagement of my page as well. Frankly speaking, I don't know anybody else has noticed or not, but as a owner of that page, as a founder of that page, I have noticed it has just doubled the engagements and it has just doubled
wonderful
the likes as well. So it has helped me a lot. And the other guidelines which you have just told me, like kai tarah ke aapne you have shared with me, gradually I'm just working on that. So I'm sure for it the
of
results, some
course
of the results are there, and the rest I'm waiting for them to come over. I'm sure for it कि मतलब till now the journey with you is a superb. And if I talk about
wonderful
the Mrs. if I talk about the Mrs. Diva's platform, I think I'm short of words always, because matlab, Astha, you as a admin, you as a person doing a wonderful job. You know, matlab, I'm telling about you yourself only. You have done. You as a person, you know each and every one कि उसके mind में चल क्या रहा है. You know each and every person that where they are lacking out. And I think especially जो होता है Mrs. Diva का जो है, other people are also very supporting. Like I don't know Shreya
yes
personally, I don't know Surabhi personally, but we don't know any of them personally,
of course
but they support like family. They support like family, and this is one of the best part, and I think which has been integrated by you only, क्योंकि आप सबको इतना support देते हो that we are learning it from you only कि we have to support each everyone. So that's the basic thing. I wish I really pray for the Mrs. Diva, and for you. You people must go ahead, because
thank
you people are helping so many entrepreneurs that just because of you, many people are doing the good work. So
thank
that's
you
my
so
best
much
wishes to Mrs. Diva
I
always.
really feel that you guys, you know, you guys, I am there because of you all, and this fraternity is, it is today what it is because of support from each and every one of you. I mean, I really see how people conduct themselves in other groups also, but then somehow I feel so
Yeah,
blessed that each and everyone here is so encouraging, so empathetic towards each
so
other. वो एक जो
encouraging.
empathy वाली feeling है encouragement वाली feeling है. आप लोग सब इतना अच्छे से, and we got to know Vibha also, praise you for helping her out the other day. We all read her status. Thank you so much,
That
Pooja.
was
Thank you so
that
much.
was again a learning from you only, because you just pinpoint each and everything in this thing that we have started learning this thing. Ki nahi yaar, if somebody is doing some hard work for you, you must say it. You must oblige that person. So I think that's again a learning from you only. Earlier it was not in our
Wonderful.
minds, especially.
Thank you so much. So now I'm going to ask थोड़ा सा peculiar सा question है that do you think Pooja from when you were not working and Pooja from now, so do you think these two are different in some way? कुछ changes आपको feel होते हैं?
Yeah, of course, Asta. When you are working, मतलब it's not the terms of earning. देखो, earning तो is a very big part. अगर आप कुछ earn
100%.
कर रहे हो तो you are undoubtedly you are confident about yourself. By God's grace, there was not the thing of earning only, but yeah, I feel myself confident when someone says कि हमने आपका केक वहाँ खाया था. So I feel like कि अच्छा, okay. मतलब I'll just would like to share one instance also. It's
Yes.
long back, I think three years back only. I just delivered one of the cake in my society itself only, and might be one of her friend was visited to their house and they had that cake, and that lady was residing at, I think, Southex somewhere. She ordered from there only कि मैंने वहाँ आपका केक खाया था, so this is my date of anniversary. So I asked her, you will come all the way to pick up the cake from that? She said, yeah, the cake was so amazing that I won't mind to travel so much for that. So this is, I'm talking about 4 to 5 years back. So when you achieve these kinds of compliments, in that case, monetary value is nothing in that way. And
Absolutely,
when
absolutely.
so that confidence, that praise, that and especially it helps me in both the ways. My family, when I'm just making something, and I really feel blessed for this thing. Like I just feel like wow, what a blessing I am having that my family is enjoying such a healthy food and such a delicious things they are enjoying. This is something like कि मुझे लगता है कि not only the monetary values, other values also I am enjoying this very
Absolutely.
much. So much of change is there. What the puja was earlier and the puja is now. So that is the
Wonderful,
thing.
wonderful, wonderful. And in fact, I think that as someone who has ordered from you, even I feel very confident of this part, जो ये बात आप कह रहे हो, hygiene से related जो आप mention कर रहे हो, I really feel it because a complete lockdown, even till now, we haven't had as a family even a single thing from outside. But when it came to cakes, when it came to cakes, I knew that if I'm ordering from Pooja, इसका मतलब है कि वो मैं almost like मेरे अपने घर में बन रहा है, वो इतना carefully बना होगा. I really want to put it out there. 100%. So I want to put it out there because I know I have seen you. हमने सबने शायद live sessions में आपकी kitchen भी देखी है, आपने हमें दिखाई भी है. That it gives me so much confidence कि मैं इसका मतलब मैं पूजा से केक मंगा रही हूँ तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि मैं बाहर से खा रही हूँ. इसका मतलब ये है कि मैं मेरे घर को ये पता है घर में बना होगा, एक्सट्रीम केयरफुल आप रहते हो. और दिस इज वंडरफुल, एब्सोल्युटली वंडरफुल.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Okay, so अब मेरा जो next question है, and I think this is probably so we are just left with 2 more questions after this. So my question, of course, बहुत obvious सा question है कि top 2 या 3 learnings from this journey. Enriching journey होती है, मुझे लगता है कि entrepreneurship की जो journey है, startups की जो journey है, बहुत है. तो आपके what do you think top 2-3 learnings कुछ share with us?
Top 2-3 learnings. पहला तो देखो, obviously when you start doing your venture, तो आपको लोगों पे पहचान मिलती है. people, and Asta, again I'll say I'm from business class family. Right now everyone around me is the business. Now the young generation is going to the jobs. That's a different thing. But I would like to. But I'm so happy to share that I'm the only one as a woman who is working right now in my whole family.
Wow.
So जो आपको एक ये एक जो आपको ये opportunity मिली, या कह लो कि आपको जो एक ये fame मिला, I think there is no match with it. I can't express this thing in words. Now earlier it was not easy, but now even my all relatives are like, अच्छा अब तो बिजी हो गए केक्स में, मतलब you feel like that you are worth of your life. You're not sitting idle at home,
Wonderful.
you're not like,
Great.
but you're doing something. So this is the one of the most important learning in my life. When you do something, people start knowing you not as only Pooja Juneja, but people start learning you as owner of Wallabies. So that's a great
Wonderful.
opportunity and a great feeling for me. So this was one of the utmost learning. And again, the way you said like this lockdown के period में, मतलब I was like कि अच्छा है कि मेरा ये प्रोफेशन है, because this time I have noticed the people have opted this of profession क्योंकि everybody wants homemade food.
Absolutely.
So this is
Absolutely.
one of the most,
Absolutely.
तो this was one more thing कि आपको मतलब मुझे अच्छा लगता है इस चीज का देखकर कि चलो it's good I am into this thing, this profession, and that's all. और learning का तो ये है कि there are different kind of people you have to come across. Sometime चलता है, कुछ आपको समझाना पड़ता है, कुछ समझना पड़ता है.
Of course.
Sometimes they are ready to pay, sometimes they are not. But I think now I have learned this कि how to suppress the things without getting hyper. आपकी चीज है,
Emotional
आपको उनको
about it.
अच्छे से emotional about it. So that's thing. So these are the basic learnings which I have taken from this my profession.
Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. So, okay, another question that we would want to know from you is, do you think you're facing any particular challenges as of now in your business? And of course, my biggest question would be, what are the future plans for Wallaby? So, what do we expect now? Of course, festival season aa raha hai. I was just talking
Right,
about it
right,
also.
right,
Diwali aa
right.
rahi hai. So, what are we?
Diwali आया
What should we look forward to now?
है. Sorry, मतलब this challenges तो I am facing. There is no issue. I'll explain you how.
Hmm,
Till
hmm,
now people wants the fresh food or good quality, but what in the
hmm,
back of the mind, not all, but
hmm,
in the back of the mind
hmm.
many people think like कि घर का बना है तो why she is charging this much. I have to explain
Yes,
them
I agree.
कि घर का बना है इसीलिए चार्जेस ज्यादा हैं. बिकॉज अगर आप हलवाई से ले रहे हो या आप बेकरी शॉप से ले रहे हो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि कौन क्या कर रहा है, बट व्हाट आई एम डूइंग आई कैन एक्सप्लेन दैट थिंग. आई जस्ट एक्सप्लेन देम कि जो घी जो बटर मैं अपने किचन में अपने परांठे पे या अपने लिए यूज कर रही हूँ, द सेम क्वालिटी ऑफ थिंग्स आई एम यूजिंग फॉर यू एज वेल. बट मार्केट में मतलब समटाइम्स आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन देम लिटरली, आई हैव टू टेल देम द इंग्रेडिएंट्स, द डिफरेंस बिटवीन द इंग्रेडिएंट्स in my cookies and what the market cookies are there. I tell them ki this is
Hmm,
a totally butter and that is margarine. So that is the two different
hmm.
things which are using. So ये
Abs-
चीज कई बार कन्विंस करनी मुश्किल मतलब कुछ लोग हैं जिनको ये बात समझ में आती है, होम बेकर हैज देयर डिफरेंट
Agree.
वैल्यूज, बट देयर आर अदर पीपल लाइक कि दे थिंक लाइक कि घर में ही तो बना है तो व्हाई यू आर चार्जिंग दिस मच फॉर. देन आई हैव टू एक्सप्लेन देम ठीक है, मतलब that was the initial challenges. Right now also I am facing some of them,
Hmm.
but now I think people have understood or they are starting understanding the situations
Gradually, it's coming to them.
gradually to come to them. So that's the thing. So that's the basically, and the plans about Wallabies
But
are like many people are after my life. Why don't you go for a venture now? Why don't you go for an outlet now? Wallabies has a good name. Just go and have an outlet now. But I always say
outlet.
them
Okay.
ki, yeah, they are, but I always say them ki I am a home baker and I would like to be as a home baker. That's a different way. I'll spread out my wings.
Hmm,
I'll do it on the next level, but still
hmm,
I'll be like a home baker because I'm doing because Aslan, moreover when you start up with something ना तब
hmm.
आपको पता लगता है कि उसकी अंदरूनी उसके बैक साइड्स क्या क्या हैं. Like
Absolutely.
earlier, I was happily having the bakery cakes. I was very happily having the bakery biscuits and all that. But the moment I have started doing all such things, now I come to know ki, oh my God, what I was having earlier. But the
Agreed,
difference
agreed.
between the product that we are having from there and the what I am making from my kitchen, I can contrast the things. So मतलब मुझे लगता है कि अगर मैंने बाहर जाके एक आउटलेट खोल लिया तो I'll become like other people only, like other
Hmm.
brands only, whether it's Haldiram, whether it's Bikaner, तो कोई अलग पहचान नहीं है मेरी. मेरी अलग पहचान is because I am from Wallabies home baker, so that is my self identity, and that is my most important thing which I have made it for myself. So that is one of thing. And for now we have started with the cookies also, and we launched the cookies only during the Rakhi festival. And by God grace, I never expected this much of response of the cookies. It went out so well, so well. So I'll
Because they
be
are very tasty.
thank you so much. Thank you so much. So I'll be adding some. I think this will be time when I'll be going with the more hampers and more things. Uh, at the last
Wonderful.
Diwali, I introduced the chocolate laddus also. So that was again full of nuts and all that, and that was amazing in taste. So that will be one of our next
Wow.
Wallabies product that I generally do in the winters and the Diwali time only. So that's my super
Oh,
hit
okay.
product. So cross my fingers for the best results again with that. So these all we'll be doing
Wonderful.
in the upcoming seasons and upcoming festivals.
Wonderful. Wonderful. We'll be
So
waiting. We'll
that's
be
all
waiting
what we
for
do.
all the new announcements from Wallabies. Okay.
Definitely,
So,
definitely, I'll be doing something new.
that brings me to my last question. So, what
Yeah,
message would you give to other moms out there, other women out there who are struggling to find their own identity? So, उनके लिए कुछ छोटा सा message.
yeah, so sure. Matlab, what I have learned from my journey, matlab, the moment I started this podcast, I have just shared in the very first question. It was not easy for me to start up and to reach till here. And I think this is a story of each
Agree.
and every women. Matlab, the first question to the from the family comes out कि क्यों कमाना है? बात कमाने की नहीं होती है, बात अपनी पहचान बनाने की होती है. That was in
I
my
agree.
mind. So I would like to give the message, try to convince your family first. Don't go against them. I would not say that thing. But yeah, you must do it for yourself. Like अगर आपको पेंटिंग का शौक है
Absolutely.
तो आप मत बना के बेचो. Just do it for yourself. Hang it in your room, your kitchen, gift it someone, but don't suppress your dreams. Don't suppress your
Agreed.
dreams. There are
Agreed.
many reasons to say no to anything, but there is only one reason to say yes कि मुझे कुछ करना है. So if you have that feeling in your mind ना कि मुझे कुछ करना है, तो you'll try to manage and you'll get it. मतलब मुझे अपनी journey से I
Absolutely.
have learned this thing. मतलब I don't know I am able to explain the actual journey of mine or not, but I am telling you it was not easy for me. I just did it
100%.
because I want
100%.
to, do. So the same thing is like if your family doesn't allow you to earn, then don't do it. Just make it for yourself, gift it for someone. आपने आज तक कभी कुछ किया नहीं. So that's the main message from my side. Just do it for yourself. Just live it for yourself.
Wonderful.
For
Wonderful. So
any
I'm,
guidance,
I
must
mean, I
come to
would
you.
just, oh, thank you so much. Definitely, everybody is welcome. Anybody is welcome. जिसको support चाहिए, जिसको भी guidance चाहिए, just do come to us. And I think each one of you, like Pooja, आपसे मैं खुद भी बहुत चीजें सीख रही हूँ और मुझे लगता है हम सब बहुत चीजें सीख रहे हैं एक दूसरे से. सबसे बड़ी चीज जो मुझे लगता है
Yeah.
आज आपकी स्टोरी से जो अभी और स्पेशली इस लास्ट आंसर से दैट हैज कम अप इज कि even if you do not need the money, do something. Do not suppress
Exactly.
your urge, your need to find your own identity.
Exactly.
मत earn करो, कोई बात नहीं.
मत
This is
earn
a
करो.
beautiful thought, Pooja.
Exactly.
Beautiful thought. आपने बहुत अच्छा
मतलब
थॉट
when
रखा है कि नहीं, मत बेचो, मत बेचो, घर में
मत
लगा लो,
बेचो.
गिफ्ट
हाँ.
करो.
Exactly. मतलब that was the startup of my life. Even जब मैंने केक्स बनाने शुरू किए थे तो I didn't, मतलब तब ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने बनाने शुरू किया और बिकने शुरू हो गए and I started earning money of that. No, it was not like that. I started gifting only first of all. Then gradually when you get confidence in yourself कि no, the response is very nice. When you at that time family also supports you in that way. But first step you
Family.
have to take it for your own.
Absolutely, absolutely. Wonderful thought and wonderful learning. उठो, कुछ करना है, वो getting
Exactly.
into
करना है.
action, वो आना है, उस मोड में आना है, सिर्फ बैठे नहीं
उस
रहना
मोड
है,
में आना है.
सोचते नहीं रहना है. Great,
Very.
great, great. So,
That's it.
we also understand, Pooja, आपकी जर्नी भी बहुत बम्पी रही होगी, but then, I mean, बहुत छोटा सा पार्ट हम देख रहे हैं. अब आप इतने सक्सेसफुल हो आज, everybody knows you, और I am sure I really I'm sure फोन नहीं बजना बंद नहीं होता होगा आपका कि केक के ऑर्डर्स आते ही रहते होंगे. And thank you so much for sharing so many beautiful memories. I think we have taken you down your own memory lane कि क्या क्या
Yeah,
हुआ कैसे कैसे
exactly.
सब.
I enjoyed this. I enjoyed this a lot, but it's true. Thank you, Asta. Thank you
I'm
so
just
much.
wonderful, wonderful. Thank you. Thanks to you. Thanks to you. Everybody knows, and
I know.
I mean, I think if they are seeing me on the screen, they would also see me just staring at you like this. I'm so in awe of you, and
Like a big
wonderful.
thanks to
Thank you
you.
so much.
A big thanks to you for
Great.
giving me such a wonderful opportunity to share my story, to just let the other people know that how I am today as Wallabies. So thank you so much, Asta. Thank
Wonderful.
you so much, and thanks to all the viewers who joining today. Your support
Absolutely.
is must.
Absolutely.
And one more
Absolutely.
learning I got from you. आपने मुझे एक आई थिंक वेबिनार में यू जस्ट शेयर दिस थिंग कि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं भी होता ना स्टिल इफ आई कम टू नो कि समवन इज लाइव आई जस्ट गो एंड ड्रॉप हाई एटलीस्ट so this is a wonderful learning from you which I try to follow generally.
Yes,
Sometimes
you do.
happens but 90% I try my level best at least go and support that person. So there's too much learning from you. Thank you so much, Asta.
Thank you so much, Pooja. Thank you for joining in today, and thanks to each one of our viewers. आप लोग सब I'm seeing कि हमारा जो viewer count है वो 40 से नीचे अभी हुआ है. We had so many live
Right, right,
viewers.
right.
Thank you
Right,
so much
exactly.
for joining in, guys. Thank you so much for very very supportive. Thank you, guys. And yes, so I saw one message. I'm going, someone was asking about the announcements. I just give me some time, guys. I'm just going to make the announcements in a few hours probably. So thank you so much. Stay tuned. Thank you, and bye bye everyone. Bye Pooja. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you, Asta. Thank you so much. Bye bye.